Good day all. Today we're excited to introduce the next upgrade to our 2024 GR Supra, the BimmerNetwork 4.5-inch Catless Downpipe. As we continue to push the car, we are at the limits of the stock catalytic converter. Special thank you to BimmerNetwork for supplying us with the downpipe. In this video, we will walk through the process of installing the BimmerNetwork downpipe on the GR Supra. Hope you all enjoy. Firstly, you'll want to unjack the O2 sensor and remove the wiring of the O2 sensor so that it is free for removal with the stock downpipe. Video, no, normal thing.
And your big flathead screwdriver.
Next, you'll jack up the car and loosen the V-band and exhaust clamp on the downpipe. Remove the nut holding the exhaust on the front of the car to allow some more room. Remove the clamp between the exhaust and the stock downpipe. Next, shake out the exhaust from the downpipe. This may require some lubricant like a WD-40 if it's stuck. Remove the V-band on the turbo and the downpipe. There's also a bracket that holds the downpipe in place with two nuts, which should be removed, and then the downpipe should come out. The torque values are 14 foot-pounds for the nut that supports the exhaust, 18 foot-pounds for the lower exhaust clamp, 32 foot-pounds for the O2 sensor, and 14 foot-pounds for the turbo downpipe V-band. The O2 sensors are then swapped over to the BimmerNetwork downpipe. The downpipe installed in the reverse order. Here's videos of how it sounds with a Catless downpipe and our custom tune. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for the next video.